Uh, this is Karthik. Welcome to Elastic Bytes episode 3. Let me share my screen really quick. Today I shall share my knowledge with respect to IDS query and prefix query. Let's get started with IDS query. Coming to IDS query, I will set you the context with the real world scenario. Coming to For suppose if you want to build, so in one of the product we are trying to use both SQL Server and Elasticsearch. For suppose if you want to store a user information, we store the user information in user table, that too in relational database, and at the same time we store the user row as a user document in user index. Okay, simultaneously we have a user table and user index. We'll store the same data both in SQL as well as Elasticsearch. In order to leverage the such such expertise, I would say in order to leverage the such functionalities, we will use the user index. Same time, in order to leverage uh, the transnational database, then we will go for SQL. This is all about the at an high level. Okay. When to use IDS query? For suppose if you want to query the documents based on the unique ID, then IDS query comes into rescue. See, get movies index query IDs. These are the IDs that we took from these documents. Let's see. Let's hit enter. See, this is all about the IDS query. Okay, next coming to the prefix query. What is a prefix query? Prefix query. When to use prefix query? See, in SQL Server, we have like statement, right? Similar kind of like statement functionality. Okay. For suppose, if you want to search documents based on post ID starts with 145. Okay, starts with. Okay, it is on sequential order 145. Let's see how it will work. Okay. Query prefix field. Field we need to pass post ID. Okay, 145. In order to get better visual, let's retrieve only post ID. See, the documents starts with all documents are retrieved based on the post ID that starts with 145. Let's say 145Z. Okay. See, there are total nine records. Sorry, nine documents. There are total nine documents having post ID starts with 145Z. This is all about prefix query. I hope you're clear with it. So today we discussed about IDs query and prefix query. Yesterday we discussed about terms query, exist query, term query. So uh, hope you like my videos. So please share your valuable feedback so that I can improve myself in coming episodes. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.